Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast without eggs. Start by whisking plant milk with a thickener such as mashed banana, ground flaxseed, or silken tofu. Then soak bread briefly and cook in butter or oil until golden and set, adjusting heat to avoid burning, and serve warm with syrup, fruit, or yogurt for a satisfying egg-free breakfast. For fluffy results, choose sturdy bread like brioche, challah, or sourdough that absorbs batter without falling apart, and slightly stale slices work best. Mix equal parts plant milk and a binder, add sweetener and spices, dip each slice a few seconds per side. Let excess drip off before cooking. Cook in a hot skillet with butter or oil until golden, and keep warm in a low oven while finishing the batch. To achieve a custardy center, increase binder or use a thicker plant milk like coconut cream, and let bread soak slightly longer while not becoming soggy. Serve immediately with fresh fruit, syrup, or nut butter, and reheat leftover slices gently in an oven or toaster oven to maintain texture. Refrigerate for up to 3 days or freeze, stacked with parchment between slices for longer storage. Label frozen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.